How to sync Google Calendar with Ganttic. In your Ganttic planner, you can sync Google Calendar events to Ganttic, Ganttic tasks to Google Calendar, or get updates in both directions. Start by choosing the resource, whose task you want synced. In the Resource dialog, go to Calendar Synchronization, choose Sync Direction and any optional details. Set up either one-way or two-way synchronization. Hit Save and Start Sync. You'll then be prompted to sign into Google. Choose the correct account and click Continue. Select the calendar you want synced and click Start Synchronization. If a new task is created in Ganttic, it will now automatically appear in Google Calendar. Simply fill in the relevant data and a new event will be created in your calendar. Syncing your planner's tasks to Google Calendar is a simple way to keep your team connected with updates and new work. Discover more at Ganttic.com